Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Indiana Pacers kontra sa Detroit Pistons 115-109. Top performer sa Pacers si Miles Turner sa likod na kanyang 20 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists at 4 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Pistons, Cade Cunningham 28 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 steal. Dinaig naman ng Atlanta Hawks ang Brooklyn Nets 120-116. Top performer si Trae Young sa likod ng kanyang 30 points, 5 rebounds, 12 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Cam Thomas ng Nets kumana ng 36 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Tinambakan naman ng Orlando Magic ang Miami Heat 116-97. Top performer si Paolo Banchero sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Terry Rozier 19 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists at 2 blocks. Pinataob naman ng Milwaukee Bucks ang Philadelphia 76ers 124-109. Top performer si Damian Lillard sa likod ng kanyang 30 points, 9 rebounds at 6 assists. Tyrese Maxey 25 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tinambakan din ng Cleveland Cavaliers ang Toronto Raptors 136-106. Top performer si Evan Mobley sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals at 3 blocks. Habang si Chris Boucher ng Raptors 18 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Panalo naman ng Charlotte Hornets kontra sa Houston Rockets 110-105. Top performer si LaMelo Ball sa likod ng kanyang 34 points, 8 rebounds, 11 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Jalen Green nagtala ng 28 points at 2 rebounds. Pinadapa naman ng New Orleans Pelicans ang Chicago Bulls 123-111. Top performer si Brandon Ingram sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Zach LaVine 27 points, 5 rebounds at 3 assists. Panalo naman ang Memphis Grizzlies kontra sa Utah Jazz 126-124. Top performer si Santi Aldama sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists. Lauri Markkanen 35 points, 9 rebounds at 2 assists. Panalo naman sa isang overtime ang Phoenix Suns kontra sa Los Angeles Clippers 116-113. Top performer si Kevin Durant sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 7 rebounds, 3 steals at 1 block. James Harden 29 points, 12 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Portland Trail Blazers 139-104. Top performer si Buddy Hield sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 5 rebounds at 1 assist. Scott Henderson 22 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng East Division as of October 24, 2024. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 0 loss. Cleveland Cavaliers 1 win 0 loss. Boston Celtics 1 win 0 loss. Orlando Magic 1 win 0 loss. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 0 loss. Indiana Pacers 1 win 0 loss. Atlanta Hawks 1 win 0 loss. Brooklyn Nets 0 win 1 loss. Detroit Pistons 0 win 1 loss. Chicago Bulls 0 win 1 loss. Philadelphia 76ers 0 win 1 loss. Miami Heat 0 win 1 loss. New York Knicks 0 win 1 loss. Toronto Raptors 0 win 1 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng North Division as of October 24, 2024. New Orleans Pelicans 1 win 0 loss. Golden State Warriors 1 win 0 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 1 win 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 1 win 0 loss. Memphis Grizzlies 1 win 0 loss. Utah Jazz 0 win 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 0 win 1 loss. Houston Rockets 0 win 1 loss. Minnesota Timberwolves 0 win 1 loss. Portland Trail Blazers 0 win 1 loss. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 25, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Boston Celtics at Washington Wizards alas 7 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang San Antonio Spurs at Dallas Mavericks alas 7:30 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ang Oklahoma City at Denver Nuggets alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Minnesota Timberwolves at Sacramento Kings alas 10 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.